This is my Quincy Model 325 record of change 14, made in 1977. A while back, it started continuously running. Come out here and try to see what was going on. And there was a little bit of, I guess, steam or possibly a little bit of smoke from oil buildup on here because it was getting hot and it was running continuously. I checked, it didn't have any oil pressure. So I've got a new oil pump, put that on there. Finally got all that primed, and I've got 21 to 22 pounds oil pressure now. Let me see. I have put a new hydraulic unloader on it. The diaphragm in here was cracked. I replaced that, and the little brass, I'm not sure what it's called, but it's like a plug or a rod with a little red O-ring around it. It seals up whenever the piston builds up pressure. Anyway, that's new. So it's running now, got oil pressure and everything, and once it gets up to sometimes 40 pounds of pressure, sometimes 60, this little hole right in there, it's above this vent, it will start blowing air. And it barely pulsates, not much, not like you think it would, because of the diaphragm being in there, the air pressure coming from the unloader valve. But once it gets up to about 90 psi, it takes quite a while to build the pressure. I've got the regulator set, the pressure regulator set at 150 or it's shut off. And from 90 to 150 it takes a substantial amount of time. And the higher the pressure gets on the gauge down here, the higher the pressure comes out of here. And you hear it, it's still barely leaking a little bit of air out of there. And the tank has about 110 pounds of pressure. So, anybody can tell me what they think is wrong with this. I appreciate it. I'm trying to figure it out. Also, I did take this valve out of here. I cleaned it. It was heavily corroded. I have a 1/4 inch thick piece of steel that was flat. I took some 80 grit sandpaper, stuck it to that, and I pretty much milled the surface of the valves where the little washer goes in there and the spring to get it flat. There wasn't any pitting in it. The washer had some pitting on the opposite side of where the 3 pins that are in the valves at, but there wasn't any pitting where the 3 valves make contact. I've also got the 3 little pins, or valves, whatever you want to call them, the pins with the springs. I've got those ordered to replace them, but it seems to be working now. The main thing is just taking a while to build pressure, and it's leaking from here. I've used Google AI, and it keeps telling me all kinds of things about checking the hydraulic unloader and a whole bunch of other stuff, and it just runs me in circles. So, I've been messing with this thing forever. So, if anybody's got any ideas, could help me. I'd appreciate it.